In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync Google Calendar with ClickUp. By the end, your Google Calendar will be connected to ClickUp and the calendars you choose will sync so your events and tasks stay aligned. First, open ClickUp. If you're using the desktop app, launch it now. If you're in a browser, go to your ClickUp workspace. Wait for the workspace to load so the next options are available. Next, go to Settings. Look for the Settings option, usually accessible from the sidebar or your profile menu. Click it to open the main settings area. Give it a moment to load. You should see several categories on the left. Now, click Integrations. This opens the page where you can manage and connect external apps to ClickUp. You'll see a list of available integrations. From here, select Google Calendar. Find Google Calendar in the list and click it to open the integration details. You should see an option to begin connecting your account. Click Connect. This starts the link between ClickUp and Google Calendar. A Google sign-in window may open in a new tab or as a pop-up. If you don't see it, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow the window to open. Sign into your Google account. Choose the Google account you want to use for the sync and enter your credentials. Make sure it's the account that owns or has access to the calendars you need. If you're already signed in to multiple Google accounts, select the correct one in the prompt. Allow permissions. Google will display the permissions ClickUp is requesting to read and manage calendar data. These are required so events can be synced between Google Calendar and ClickUp. I'll review the list, then click Allow to continue. If you're asked to confirm again, approve the request to finalize the authorization. This step is safe and necessary for the integration to function. Once that's done, choose Calendars to sync. You'll return to ClickUp and see a list of calendars available under your Google account. Select the calendars you want to connect by checking them. If you manage multiple calendars, double-check you're selecting the exact ones you use day to day. You can keep it simple by choosing only your primary calendar or include additional team or project calendars if needed. Take a moment here to verify the right calendars are selected, as this determines what data flows into and out of ClickUp. At this point, save settings. Click Save to confirm your choices and apply the integration. Let's wait for the confirmation or success message from ClickUp. The connection is now established and the sync will begin. It may take a short moment for the initial data to populate, especially if the selected calendars contain many events. That's normal, just give it a bit of time. You've now opened ClickUp, gone to Settings, clicked Integrations, selected Google Calendar, clicked Connect, signed into your Google account, allowed permissions, chosen the calendars to sync, and saved your settings. Your Google Calendar is now synced with ClickUp, and the calendars you selected will update according to your integration settings. That completes the setup. Your Google Calendar and ClickUp are connected and syncing as configured. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.